This is a 2008 Audi A4 Cabriolet 2.0 turbo with 52,000 miles. Absolutely gorgeous car, mocha with the mocha top and the beige leather interior. You'll be lucky to find a scratch on this vehicle. Absolutely gorgeous. Not a door ding, needs nothing. Amazing service records. Always dealer serviced. Everything works on the vehicle. All right, beige leather interior, has the climate package, heated seats, power seats. By increasing utility bills a few bucks a month. 52,000 miles, no lights, no messages, just super clean. All right, now we're going to show you the top operation. Okay, works down, no problem, seamlessly. Now we're going to go back up. So this is a 2008 Audi A4 Cabriolet, 52,000 miles, in absolutely wonderful condition. Stunning car.